Hi boys and girls. For writing today, we're going to do some handwriting practice with the uppercase and the lowercase t, b, and f. I will first write them on here, and then we'll skywrite them together. I want you to echo the verbalizations that I use, and then you'll have a chance to practice writing 4 to 5 uppercase and lowercase letters from the activity in your packet. Let's go ahead and begin with the uppercase T. The uppercase T is going to start on the skyline, go down to the grass line, back to the skyline, make a line. Let's go ahead and skywrite the uppercase T together. Get your arm up, point to the skyline, go down to the grass line, back to the skyline, make a line. Here's the uppercase T. The lowercase t is a tall lowercase letter, so it's going to start on the skyline. We'll go from the skyline down to the grass line, back to the plane line this time, make a line. Make sure that that line is on the plane line. Okay, let's skywrite that together. Point to the skyline, go down to the grass line, back to the plane line, make a line. T, top, t. Okay. Next, let's do the uppercase and the lowercase b. All right. The uppercase B is going to start on the skyline. We'll go down to the grass line, pick up your pencil, go back to the skyline, around to the plane line, and around to the grass line, making sure to bump all of those lines. Okay. Go ahead and point to the skyline, down to the grass line, back to the skyline, around to the plane line, around to the grass line. Okay. It's the uppercase B. The lowercase b is a tall letter just like the lowercase t. Okay. We're going to start on the skyline, go down to the grass line, but instead of picking up our pencil, we're going to trace back up to the plane line and around to the grass line. So I'm going to trace back up, staying on that line until I get to the plane line, and then go around to the grass line. Let's go ahead and skywrite that. Point to the skyline, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, around to the grass line. B, that, B. Alrighty, our last letter for today is the uppercase and the lowercase f. Okay? Just like our other uppercase letters, the uppercase f is going to start on the skyline. We'll go down to the grass line, back to the skyline, make a line, plane line, make a line. Okay, let's go ahead and skywrite that. Get your arm up, point to the skyline, go down to the grass line, back to the skyline, make a line, plane line, make a line. Okay. The lowercase f is a tall letter like the lowercase b and the lowercase t, except it's going to start a little bit below the skyline and will go up to the skyline before going down to the grass line. So if this is my plane line, I'm going to start just a little bit below. I'm going to fly up to the skyline, down to the grass line, and then I'm going to take my pencil, go to the plane line, and cross on the plane line, kind of like the lowercase t. Okay? So get your arm ready. We're going to start just below the skyline, fly up to the skyline, go down to the grass line, back to the plane line, make a line. Okay, the lowercase and the uppercase f. Alrighty. When you are using these letters in your writing, be sure that you are using an uppercase letter only to start your sentence, and then the rest of the letters are lowercase. If they're a tall lowercase letter, they're going to start on the skyline. If they're a short lowercase letter, they'll start on the plain line. And then those diving lowercase letters will start on the plain line and dive to the worm line. Good luck and have fun!